hurts.
This is where she starts getting antsy. Talking about it hurt. I'm pretty sure it don't even hurt like that.
It does. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know who I am, and if you don't, my name is MsUnbreakableTimeline here, also known as Chantel. So as you guys can tell in today's video, I'm going to be doing my daughter's hair. And before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe if you are new. This is my daughter Serenity. Hey guys.
So this is how I will usually do their hair, but in this video I'm kind of doing it different, to be honest. So I'm not showing you guys me because I look a hot mess and I actually need my hair done as well. But today is all about her, and I also got to do my other daughter's hair. But anyways, that's a whole nother video because she has braids, and yeah, so I'm not going to do all that tonight. I'm going to start off by using the Just For Me Curl Piece Tender Head Detangling Treatment. And this says apply a generous amount to dry hair before shampooing. Distribute evenly. I got this from Amazon, and I will leave like the links down below. First time using it, and I had it for a little minute, but this is my first time using it. So what I'm going to do, because as you guys can tell, her hair is very tangled. I talked about this detangling brush that I also got from Amazon. Y'all know I love Amazon. I'm a huge Amazon fan. Like, I could get anything from Amazon, but I got this brush from Amazon as well. Freaking loved it when I used it on my hair, so now I'm going to use it on my daughter's hair. So her hair was already in like these like two ponytails, so that's make it a little bit easier for me since her hair is very tangled. I'm gonna start on one side, try to part it. Remember, her hair is very tangled. You want to be very gentle doing this part. Well, they say I'm not, but you gotta be a little gentle. You want to make sure you start at the bottom of the hair and then brush your way up, because if you start at the roots and then, or even in the middle, it might hurt their heads, especially when their hair is super tangled. So this brush, I'm so happy they came out with this brush. And as you guys can see, her hair is very curly. She has like 4B type hair, just like me. Mine is just a little bit more puffier, like thicker, but she has really good hair. Also, when you're detangling, if it's really tangled, you want to start at the ends and then, like I said, work your way up to the roots. But you want to make sure that you hold your hand right in the middle of their hair, or you want to hold it down here, wherever you detangling in at first, which you should start from the bottom. Then you just work your way up with detangling it. This part is really tangled, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more on this side and let that sit. You want to make sure the hair is very moist and that product is evenly distributed around the hair like it stated. That way it can be easier to detangle.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side, and then I'll come back on here once I'm done with that side before we wash it. So this how much shedding she had from it. I love this detangling brush. I'm gonna keep saying it because it really gets all the tangles out, but this is it. So that's not bad at all. I usually shed way more than this. So what we're about to do, we're done with the Just For Me, and
we're gonna go rinse it out.
Yeah. I'm gonna go in with this Dark and Lovely cleansing water, and it has aloe in it, and I love it because it has this applicator where I can go right onto the scalp, and I really like that about this. Got this new, it's like a head scrubber, a scalp scrubber, and I also got this from Amazon. I will leave everything down below where I got this stuff from exactly. So I'm gonna go and use this on her hair and just scrub it. So usually I'll use like my fingertips to really get in there, but this works just as good. It's like a little, you know, having your fingers on here. So as you could tell in the clips before we washed her hair, I usually do not condition their hair. Depending, I don't even condition my hair most of the time. I just don't like too many different products and chemicals in their hair. So when I don't condition it, even if I condition it, I'll still go in with a taming frizz, which is this argan oil by Ors. I'm gonna apply this in her hair just to tame the frizz because I'm going to do a style. And I'm also going to spray a little bit of this Sky Organic black castor oil in her hair. I'm not going to put a lot because this is very thick and I don't want her hair to be heavy. I also got this from Amazon. If you guys seen my hair video, I mentioned this in there. So I'm going to leave everything down below. Put in my hand since it's a pump. Just a little bit. Rub it together and I'm gonna distribute it in her hair. And this helps with like hair growth. This helps with the thickness of your hair. So the hairstyle that we're doing, I'm going to part her hair down the middle. And I'm gonna do this for each section. to go ahead and do the other side. Then we will be back.